Eastman Cast and Forge Limited is a part of Eastman Group with turnover of 153 million US dollars during April 2016 to March 2017. ECFL is an integrated unit to produce professional tools. Eastman offers a range of industrial and domestic vacuum cleaners to pick up different types of dirt quickly and thoroughly, and to remove stubborn stains from textile surfaces as per requirement. In market, there are a number of vacuum cleaners with dry and wet cleaning, but Eastman offers a unique vacuum cleaner, EVC030N, with dry, wet and blower function. You can use this vacuum cleaner for suction as well as for blowing function, also equipped with individual accessories like flexible hose, extension tubes, squeeze nozzle floor brush, crevice tool, an ellipse brush. It has a large tank with 25-liter capacity. Before using, first insert the filter bag, then assemble the motor head on tank and lock it manually. Attach the flexible hose and extension tubes. To clean your floor, attach floor brush, which is very user-friendly and versatile. To clean carpet area, switch from floor brush to master nozzle. This is crevice tool that keeps the home clean by sucking out dust, even the one that is difficult to spot in corners and hard to reach areas. It can also be used to effectively vacuum large quantities of liquid. With upholstery nozzle, it is very easy to clean curtains. This is ellipse brush, which makes the dust cleaning easy like never before for areas like keyboards, curtains and car dashboards, etc. Attach squeegee nozzle to pick up different types of dirt quickly and thoroughly and clean your floor. Remember to remove dust bag before using for wet function. With squeegee nozzle, you can very easily clean wet floor. Vacuum cleaner's motor automatically stops when the water tank capacity is full. For blower function, just fit the hose directly into the exhaust opening and you can use vacuum cleaner as blower. Eastman also has 3 industrial vacuum cleaners with tank capacity of 15 litre, 30 litre and 60 litre. These have both dry and wet functions, which can easily be used to vacuum industrial waste. These are very sturdy in build with ergonomic design and high motor power. Eastman offers 6-month motor warranty. Please read complete user manual carefully before using. We have 3 warehouses and complete product spare parts facility all across India at our dealer network. To know more about our upcoming product range and best offers, visit our website www.eastmanshop.com and eastmanhandtools.com. For any inquiry, please call 872-5800-535 or 8872-012192.